Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. In honor of Batman Day, Spin Master actually sent us a surprise package regarding their latest goodies of Batman figurines. Now today we'll be unboxing and checking out, so a big special thanks to the good folks over at Spin Master for sending over this free box to review. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this haul on. Alright, so check it out. This here's their packaging, this here's their box. Kind of shows you a comic version of Batman here, kind of jumping about with the infamous Batman logo saying DC. Over here it says Batman Day, and that's about it. Let's open this thing up. Alright, now this is actually filled with a variety of different Batman goodies. Alright, so first off I see a variety of different figures here. So these here are more of their taller characters. Also first edition, which is pretty darn cool. Now there is actually a lot of different kinds in here. So these here are the 12-inch figures. So we have Nightwing, Combat Batman, Batman Red Hood, really highly detailed characters, and it looks like they actually come in different variations. So we do have other ones too that we don't show here, which includes the Joker as well as another variation of Batman. Looks like we have some smaller Batman figures. So these are among the smaller collectible. So these are like the 4-inch ones. So it looks like we have the Batman, Joker, Robin, another kind of Batman, and Nightwing. Now each of these come with 3 different surprises. So you can see on the back side there that they actually have these little pop-outs, which are essentially accessories or weapons for the characters. Last but not least, I guess we could say, is that they actually sent us 2 of these. So they sent us a Battle Strike Batman. What? That is actually pretty cool. So over here essentially is a character that can throw. So it presses the button here and punch throw these boomerangs, and has 20 different phrases and also a first edition. So it looks like it comes with a little grappling hook. Oh, this is interesting. Wait, you just... Oh, look at that.
Nice shot.
So in there like that, and then shoot.
Batman.
So it worked. Alright, so there you guys have it. So a big special thanks to the good folks over at Spin Master for sending their latest lineup in honor of Batman Day, in which if you guys had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.